Buenas noches, mi nombre es Oscar Rodríguez, soy estudiante de la UNAD, agronomía exactamente. Voy a hacer un video para inglés. Es una historia contada por Oscar. Storytelling by Oscar Rodríguez. My name is Oscar. I am 45 years old. I am currently studying become an agriculture engineer. I remember what I started working in farms about 25 years old. At the time, I was taking some agronomy class at university. We working in institute work and vegetable farms and working while taking course during the week. After taking class for and years, I go at the hub managed an organic dairy farms. I was working there for several years. I was very busy. I time and my file. I was trying to balance my career and family. Will also continue my studies. My wife Maria and had two youth kids. Miguel with Miguel, what was 5 and Lucia was 2 years. While it was working in the house and the farm, Maria was working care and the children at home. One day with Miguel was 10 and Lucia was 7. I good afternoon. Hope I was excited to take on this new challenge. About some decade in the world required me travel more Maria and the world about it and see tried that so good for it. So it tried me know how with my family continued to live at our house near the daily fast. I am still working toward completing my agricultural engineering degrees. It's been challenging balancing work, school, and family over the years, but I am determined to achieve this goal. My kids are now grown up and pursuing tales of careers. I am so proud of them and grateful for my support during those bonding time. We have many fond memories from with the kids. Well, este es mi video, espero sea de total satisfacción. Muchas gracias.